Science is a blessing. It is a common saying that life is not a bed of roses. This was true in the past. Man's life on earth was a hard struggle. In the beginning, he had to struggle against nature for his bare existence. He had to work hard to protect himself from sun, rain and storm. He had to fight against hunger, disease and death. He had only 2 hands to do all his work. With these hands, he defended himself, fed himself, and made other things he needed. It was a hard life. But he kept on working. In the course of time, he discovered many things, invented many things, and learned many things. He became civilized. He founded great empires. He tamed horses and other animals. He built big boats and ships. Still his life was hard. He did not have many comforts. He was still helpless and at the mercy of nature. Today the things are different. The application of science to the problems of mankind has completely changed man's life. He had never been so powerful as he is today. His life had never been so comfortable as it is now. For this he has to thank the scientific knowledge. It was in the 19th century that the knowledge of science acquired by man became substantial. It was used for the progress of man and society. This was the beginning of a new age. In the following years, science progressed rapidly. It became the chief weapon of man against all things inimical to his survival and welfare on earth. What science has done for man is a long story. We can only mention a few things discovered and invented by science. Science has discovered the secrets of matter. It has taught man to turn matter into energy. The chief form of energy is electricity. Now man has not to do everything with his muscles alone. Electricity moves the small and big machines that do a million things for man. Our means of communication, radio, telegraph, trains, ships, planes, etc. are all gifts of science. Now tractors and harvesters cultivate the land and produce food for man. Famines are a thing of the past. Here has been a great progress in the field of medicine. Most of the diseases that killed millions of people in the past have almost been overcome. Today epidemics are not inevitable. Now we have more comforts and leisure than we had in the past. The benefits of science have reached every man. The necessities and comforts of life are within the reach of all. It is true to say that science is a great blessing for man.
Thank you for watching.